Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Borderlands 4. You got the error of your settings have failed to save. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Go ahead and open up your Windows security. From the left pane, click on the option Protection History. Now right over here, all the blocked programs will be shown. So check the date and time and then click on this down arrow key. Right over here, you will find a protected folder. So if you find Borderlands 4 exe file right over here, you need to click on the Action tab and choose the option Allow on Device to fix out this issue. Although, if this doesn't work, again go to the Home and then you need to click on the option Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on the option Manage Ransomware Protection. Now here, you will find a link Allow an app through Control Folder Access. You need to click on it. Now click on Add an Allowed app. Now click on the option Browse all apps. Now you need to browse the directory of the Borderlands 4. Generally, the game is available right in the Steam directory. And to do so, launch the Steam, go to Library, right click on the game and choose the option Manage. And over here you will find the option of Browse local files. So here is the directory of the game. So same way, you need to find the directory of the Borderlands 4. Once you find the directory, select the exe file of the Borderlands 4. It is available right in the folder and second exe file will be available in the OAK games folder. You need to add both the exe files one by one by selecting the file and click on the option open. After adding the file, again open home and same thing you need to do with firewall and network protection. Click on it and click on the option Allow an app through firewall. Again click on the option Change settings and click on the option Allow another app. Same way, click on the browse option to browse the directory of the game and add both the files borderland.exe file which is available in the game directory and in the OAK games folder. After adding both the files, you need to checkmark the option private as well as public as it is showing right over here. Once you have done so, hit the OK button and relaunch the game and the issue of your settings have failed to save while playing the game Borderlands 4 will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.